Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about and discuss and I'll demonstrate like how to create Omnistudio components using Antigravity IDE. So I have earlier created few videos on Antigravity. So if you have not watched that video like GitHub, working with GitHub with Antigravity, then I have talked about how to create LWC components and using the Antigravity, and we can just embed that in the LWC component in OmniStudio OmniScripts, and we can pass the data from LWC to OmniScript and vice versa scenarios we have shown. And if you have not watched those video, I'll be adding those tutorial links in this video description. So today's use case will be like going to create and I'll be going to create for the first time like a OmniStudio component, like a data mapper. Earlier it is known as data raptors, which is basically types of four, and there are like extract, load, transform, turbo extract data mappers are there, like to retrieve Salesforce record, to load and update Salesforce record, and or data transformations we can use that transform data mapper, right? So I'm going to create one extract data mapper today using Antigravity. So I have already created few data mapper transform in my org velocity org, and which I have retrieved from the org. Like for this there are like few examples having in this org, so I'll just feed this data for the Antigravity, so that Antigravity understands how the data transform works, means how the data mappers XMLs are there, how the format and the pattern is there, so that it will just provide me a better solution, right? So I'll be going to create one data mapper extract that will basically retrieve one account information and its associated contact information, just providing the prompt to the Antigravity. I'll not create that those data mapper extract from the UI. So if you have not watched those tutorials like how to create those working with data mappers, please check it out my OmniStudio playlist in my channel. So let's get started. So let me just provide a high level overview like what is Antigravity. Antigravity is a agent first integrated development environment IDE launched in late 2025. Unlike traditional coding assistants that focused on line by line auto completion, it is designed as a mission control for autonomous AI agent that can plan, execute, and verify complex engineering tasks with minimal human intervention, right? And we have the agent manager as well. Like from agent manager centralized view, we can see multiple agents are working on different workspaces, different context they are working. We can just view them at a glance, or from we can just open by we can open that agent code with agent console view from here. So let me just, on clicking on this plus icon, I can just create a new agent, and in here we can select the execute conversation mode, like planning or first. I'll be for this use case I'll be choosing this planning mode. And in the data model, in the model, I'll just select like the most advanced model of Claude, like Claude Opus 4.6, right? So, and let me just provide the prompt so that we can just create that data mapper extract. So I'll just write the prompt like create data mapper extract that retrieves count info based on the account ID as input, and it also retrieves associated contact records from that account, right? So I'll just provide this prompt and let's see what happens. So I am also first time trying to create a OmniStudio component directly from this Antigravity. So let's see what happens. So it's searching for structure, project structure, and OmniStudio metadata is analyzing. It will analyze this Omni data transform, right? So it's currently analyzing this Omni data transform folder in which few created data transforms are there, data mappers are there. So now it's having the understanding. Now it will create that extract. And it's generated, and it created this data mapper extract get accounts with contacts. And here is the XML, and it is still generating. And I just need to accept the changes. I will accept all the changes. And we can see that under this omni data transform, we have this data mapper extract created, and it is of version 1. That is why it's appended with _1 at the end of this name. And let me just open this file, and I'll just deploy this one, right? So I'll just simply deploy this source to org. And it successfully deployed in our org. So I'll just copy the name, and I'll just refresh this data mappers, and I'll just search with this name, get accounts with contacts. And we can see this one got created. And let me just open this extract, and we can see that it successfully selected the right interface type as extract, and the input type is JSON, output type is JSON, and description it's provided like retrieve account information and associated contact records based on the account ID input. And if I just expand this account, and we can see that this is right, and account ID will be the input, and based on that account ID, this should match with this standard account ID field, and it should retrieve the contact informations as well, like contacts, and this should check with the standard field of the contacts object account ID. This should match with the input ID, right? Account ID. And let me just see the mappings that created, and we can see that few account mappings are there, like account ID, name, type, industry, phone, website are there. And under this account info node, we have this contacts mapping as well, like contact name, email, phone, title, account ID, and these are all good. And let me just preview this one, right? So let me just check with one account ID, one proper account ID, and let me just take it from the org, and I'll just paste this account ID here, and let me just execute. And we can see that there are no issues. So at once it executed successfully. And if I just open this account record Acme partners, we can see that there are like 8 contact records are there, right? So we are just good to go, right? So the Antigravity created this data mapper extract perfectly fine, and this is how we can just simply create OmniStudio components using Antigravity. So for this demo, I have just talked about like creating a simple data mapper extract. So we can do a lot of steps using this Antigravity tool, and I'll be uploading those tutorials in upcoming days. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading more tutorials on OmniStudio Data Cloud Agentforce topic. So please stay tuned.